Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw a cup of cappuccino. Prepare your art materials and get yourself ready. But before we jump in, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up on this video. It motivates me to create more useful content for you. If you are interested in learning all about alcohol-based markers, tips and tricks, want to receive coloring pages, and vote on upcoming themes for my drawings, make sure to check out my Patreon. Your support is very important. Alright, let's get started. In this video, I am using alcohol-based markers. My favorite brands are Touch Markers and Copic. But honestly, you can use any materials you like. Check out the description for the list of my art materials. I already made a loose pencil sketch and now I am using a micron fine liner to outline my sketch. What color should I make a cup? I think red will fit perfectly here. You will need 3 tones of red. First, let's apply the lightest tone. Oops! Looks like my marker ran out of ink. Let me quickly refill it and I'll get back to you. Should I make another video on how to refill markers and change the nibs? What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. Here it is, much better. Let's apply mid-tone and smooth the transition with the lightest tone. Apply the darkest tone and smooth the transition with the previous color. Let's repeat all the steps on the handle and then color the cappuccino foam. For the cast shadow, I am using my favorite colors, Copic BV series. I start with the lightest tone, slowly increasing the contrast and blending well to get a smoother transition. Our cappuccino is almost ready. Let's add some highlights. I am using a white pastel pencil. Watercolor pencil also should work here. And using white Posca pen to add some dots. And our beautiful cappuccino is ready. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you like the video. Check the description for the list of art materials and other useful links. If you're sharing your artwork on Instagram or Pinterest, make sure you tag me so I can give you a free feedback. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.